gosh, how to get your salesperson out there talking with more people and working with more people. And the biggest thing that I want to talk to you about today, of course, we've already talked about building trust in our other lesson. Also, that's on Teachable. So if you want, if you want to review that, or if your salesperson wants to review it, but he's putting the effort in. He's getting the people in there, but he's just not. He's not connecting with the people. So what I want you to do is I want you to, and I've got this in Teachable. You can watch it a little bit, or we can talk about it a little later, more in depth. But remember, I want you guys to talk about this whole name dropping thing. Who do you already know? Who already trusts you? Who's already willing to refer you? And let's just say, for example, for today's scenario, you guys have got a couple of plumbers that are willing to refer you some work. Okay, but you don't have an HVAC company that's willing to refer you. Okay, so basically what we want to do is we want to talk to